Hi, everybody. This is Ian from Lean Media. Today, I'm going to be talking about Amazon seller policies and Section 3 violations. It sounds kind of boring, but it's actually a little bit interesting. And if this video helps you, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get going. So this was posted on the Amazon seller forums today, and it's a seller who says that their account has been deactivated. And they also revealed that they've actually been doing quite a bit of business. They did 84 orders today. Today, my orders are 84, and I got 100% positive feedback. And wow, that seems good, right? But take a look at a couple other things. This particular seller is using the username Walmart1, and I think that's the username he or she is also using on their Seller Central listings. And if you know anything about Amazon policies and drop shipping in particular, you know that this is a big no-no. Drop shipping policy is very specific about what you can do and what you can't do. And this is from the Amazon Seller Central dropshipping policy. Allowing a third party to fulfill orders to customers on your behalf is not acceptable unless it is clear to the customer that you are the seller of record. So if you're buying something from Walmart.com and sending it to an Amazon.com customer through a listing that you created on Amazon, you're violating the policy. And there's lots of other things that relate to the policy. I urge you to read it. You have to have invoices. The customer who gets the package must have an invoice that either shows it's from you, the seller of record, or from Amazon itself. And if it has a Walmart or a Best Buy or some other sort of online invoice or receipt, that is not valid. You're violating the policy. So this person basically gets criticized roundly on the Seller Central forum for very obviously violating all of these policies. And they admit, my business address is in Pakistan, and I have registered with the name of Walmart in Pakistan, and my business is retail online, and I'm following Amazon dropshipping policies and other policies. So here's a situation where this person is actually not following Amazon dropshipping policies and other policies. The speculation on the forum is that they saw some sort of YouTube masterclass or some sort of snake oil salesman promising that, oh yeah, if you do retail arbitrage or drop shipping, it's okay, and Amazon's fine with that, and you can make lots of money. And that's just not true, because Amazon, as I just showed you, has very specific policies around that. The other thing that raised a lot of suspicion here is they're doing 84 orders a day, and they're already getting lots of feedback from that. They're claiming like a 3% feedback rate for their orders, which is unrealistic, as anyone who sells a lot on Amazon should know. And in my case, it's usually less than 1%, and I don't do any sort of scammy apps to try to get feedback from Amazon customers. So there's a lot of red flags here. This person doesn't know what they're doing. They got burned, and the Section 3 violations for the Amazon seller policies, they got tripped up specifically by the drop shipping part of it, but perhaps other issues as well, such as the seller code of conduct. And I urge you to take a very close look at the dropshipping policies, at the seller code of conduct, so you can understand what's allowed and what's not allowed by Amazon. Because if you just believe some random person, some high-priced masterclass on Amazon that's promising you untold riches if you drop ship stuff from Walmart.com, you're going to be in for a rude awakening. My name is Ian Lamont, and I am the founder of Lean Media. If you go to leanmedia.org, click on video, you'll see I have lots of videos relating to selling on Amazon, including Amazon scams and pitfalls. There's so many of them out there. A lot of people are really suckered into doing things that they should not be doing, oftentimes from bogus masterclasses on Amazon, on YouTube, that you end up having to pay a lot of money to get supposed great advice from people who know what they're doing. And usually they don't. Some of them do, most of them don't. I have a free masterclass for publishers. It's completely free. There's no strings attached or anything like that. It's specifically for publishers. A lot of the advice actually applies to people who are using Amazon Seller Central as well. You can check that out, leanmedia.org/video, or follow me right now. Like the video, you'll see more videos like this, and I hope that I can help you out in the future by sharing my own expertise, which comes from selling for a very long time on Amazon. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.